Okay, so this is question 2 from the 2025 Higher Level Junior Cert Maths paper. This is part A. Write down the next two terms in each of the following sequences. So the first one is linear, so we're adding, let's see, 4 to 1, 4 to 5. So add 4 to 9, you're going to get 13. And then add 4 to 13, so that will give you 17. So we're just adding 4 each time. The second one here, you're tripling each one, so multiply 4 by 3, you get 12, multiply 12 by 3, you get 36, multiply 36 by 3, you get 108, multiply 108 by 3, you get 324. So you're just multiplying by 3 each time here. Now the quadratic one just takes a little bit more work. We're told that this is quadratic, so normally what you would do is we're going to look at the first difference anyway. The first difference here is adding 7 to 12. So we've got to add 7 to 12 to get 19. And then we've got to add 4 to 19 to get 23. So we know this is quadratic, so we've got to go again here. So to go from 7 to 4, we've got to subtract 3. Now because we know this is quadratic, we know that this must be minus 3 as well. And the next one must be minus 3 as well. So let's just work our way back up this way. So we've got plus 4 minus 3. That means we must be adding 1 here. So if we add 1 to 23, that'll give us 24. So let's go again down here. We've got to subtract 3. So if we subtract 3 from plus 1, that'll give us minus 2. So that means to go from 24 to the next term, what we got to do is subtract 2. So that'll give us 22 here. And that's really it. There are next two terms for those three number sequences. Let's have a look at part B. Amy makes a sequence using colored blocks. The first 7 blocks in the sequence are shown below. The pattern repeats every 4 blocks. So we're talking about red, red, blue, and green. It says what color is the 10th block. Well, 10 is not too far up. We can do that by just quickly writing them out. So we got red, red, blue, green. So that's 8. And then we've got red, red to bring us up to the 10th. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the 9th and the 10th block. So the answer then is red. Okay, next one. We have, let's see, Amy picks 1 block at random from the first 25 blocks in the sequence. What is the probability that the block is red? So what I'm going to do here is just write them out again. So we got red, red, blue, green. So I'm going to do this until I get to 25. Okay, so I have 25 blocks here. So now what we've got to do is find the probability that the block is red. So if all these blocks are in a bag, Amy puts her hand in, picks out a block. What's the probability? We got to find the probability that the block is red. Well, we've got 25 blocks in total, so 25 is going to go on the bottom. How many reds do we have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. So the probability that she picks out a red is 13 out of 25, 13 over 25. That's it for question 2.